Mike back.
Doesn't it Mike have the prize?
Without Mike, are we battling for nothing?
No duh.
No!
Just for a moment.
Hey, new guy, what's wrong? Why do you look so tense?
I'm not tense at all. I just have to get back to my show, okay? Ew, what even is this? This isn't even poop anymore.
It was Mug.
How come there's writings on?
See, according to my calculation,
So who's gonna host the show?
We will host.
Who are you guys?
I'm Vanilla, and he's Chocolate.
So what's today's challenge?
Today, y'all will be pressing this button when I say boop at random times of the day. 3, 2, 1, go.
and that drawings are good.
Yeah, no, I'm getting out of here.
Wait, stop! We have to do something.
Then you do something then.
Who was eliminated?
Sadly, it was Pancake.
Pierre.
Be right back, guys. I'm gonna go X ice cream if he can recover everyone who just died.
You got brown.
Stand back.
I think you got him. Where'd you even get that from?
I think she drowned.
Bobo, look what I found.
What the buns happened here?
The electrocution activated my powers.
Do you think we can use the bubble thingy to pass through the electric bars?
I'm not testing that. I might die.
Not.
This challenge is taking too long.
Then what you're gonna do?
Cry.
Look what this can do.
I wonder if there are more of those things.
Mug, what is wrong with you? Why would you do that?
It was an honest mistake.
Y'all need help down there?
Yes, please.
Alright, I'll find you a rope.
I found Life C4.
The 4 people who failed will be up for